And today's barn find is this beautiful, one of the last few OBSs that rolled off the assembly line. 1997 F250 heavy duty POWERSTROKE 7.3 in a crew cab and a short bed. One of the rarest combination to find. Factory two-tone with a dark Toredo metallic and white belly. It's a crew cab short bed, 4-wheel drive, XLT, clean title, CARFAX certified. This truck is loaded with all the goodies, including the factory ALCOAS, rear slider, windows, power windows, door locks, tow mirrors, tilt, cruise control. As you can see, it is in excellent condition all the way around. I don't see any major dents or scratches. And the reason I say major, because I'm not looking with a microscope. There might be a small door ding that I am just not seeing or not easy to see from 2 feet away. I don't see any major scratches or any issues. There's a couple little tiny scratches that have been addressed and touched up. As an example, I saw one here. So there's that. This truck has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed in it in the last 28 years, which means it has not hauled anything heavy. This bed has never been drilled in. It is in an excellent condition. It does have a spray and bed liner, as you can see. Take a look at these jambs in excellent condition. Same goes right here. Only flaw that I saw on the truck back here is on the tailgate. This got a little dent in it, which you cannot see from the outside. So at some point, the previous owner had something that moved or stepped on it here while it's open and made this little dent. Other than that, there is nothing. Well, let's keep this open. I'll show you after. What else we got? There's another small little scratch right here that's been touched up. We just installed a brand new set of BFG KO3s in the 10-ply rating all the way around. Brand new BILSTEIN shocks all the way around as well. Those are brand new. Previous owner updated the hubs to Warren hubs. And as you can see, they work and turn freely. Let's check out the other one. This is a non-smoker truck. Spent all its life here on the West Coast. Been very well cared for. Has not been modified. Previous owner as well had the top half repainted, because this, especially this color, the red and the Toredo, never looked this good from the factory, nor would have lasted like this. They all faded. So I think he was having some fading issues on the hood and the roof, which is common. And he optioned to have, told me he repainted it all from here up. Had all the restriping done on it as well, which gives this truck really like a brand new look and a brand new shine. The white is in excellent condition. There's a rock chip right here. So I'm gonna point them out as I see them, if I see any more. Interior is non-smoker, like I said, no pets. There's no rips, there's no tears. There's one small flaw in the whole interior I saw, and it's not a flaw, it's just the regular wear from getting in and out is right here and right here. I think from the button on his jeans, he said. Other than that, look at the backing. It's in excellent condition. The cushioning is in excellent condition. It's just a little worse spot right there. You can take it into an upholstery shop. They can tighten it up here, or you can ton of different options. There's companies that make new covers here as well. Headliner looks excellent. Doesn't have any rips, any tears, any cigarette burns, any stains at all. This is a combination of the 40-40-20 in the front, so 3 passengers and 3 passengers in the rear as well. You got the armrest in here. Rear slider. Carpet is in excellent condition. I love what he did here with the anti-skid tape, so it's not slippery to get in and out. The dash is extremely good condition. There's no issues with it. Same goes for the padding. Only thing upgraded on this truck is the stereo. So you have a CD player with the USB and auxiliary and MP3. Trailer brakes, manual 4-wheel drive. Let's take a, before I start it, let's open the hood, show you all the stuff before it gets too noisy. We just did a fresh service on this truck. It's got a fresh oil change, new oil filter, new air filter. There we go. Brand new alternator, brake fluid flush. Batteries have been serviced. There's your new alternator, fresh AC charge as well. All the fluids have been topped off. This truck has a new, completely overhauled, rebuilt transmission 20,000 miles ago with a heavy-duty torque converter. Take a look at the engine bay of how clean it is. There's no corrosion. There's no rust at all. Doesn't get any cleaner than this. This was owned with pride. Take a look at the grille. All the chrome is in excellent condition as well. There's no creases, there's no dents, there's no road rash. This truck drives amazing with having brand new shocks all the way around with the BFGs. I drove it 65 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour, no issues, no pulling, none of that stuff. The roof is in excellent condition as well. Let's go up here. We did install a brand new windshield. There was a rock chip on it, and we had the windshield redone and installed a new windshield. So you got perfect brand new glass. Let's go ahead and get this started. This truck comes with all the original books, manuals, 2 sets of keys. The odometer reads 143,032 miles. Now, let's turn the stereo on. So we know the stereo works, and this is a removable face as well. God, I miss these things. Take it with you so nobody steals your stereo. It's pretty cool, still here. All the original stickering. Horn works. Let's turn the lights on. And let's go out here. Have you listened to this engine? Close up. Here's all the lights. The lights on. We went through this truck, which are all the light bulbs, all the windows, all the door locks. Everything operates as designed, even down to the license plate bulbs. Got new bulbs there. There's your tail lights. I like also with the bed liner, it did over the rail, so you never have to worry about scratching it. Same goes for the tailgate. And on this side is the rear slider open. Factory tow hitch. Rear bumper is in excellent condition. Love these ALCOAS. Let's take a look at the undercurrent. There's no rust whatsoever on the body. That's straight port, protected by the Ford dealer, and it's done a great job, but it can use a fresh coat. But the good thing is you can see there's no rust at all. Completely stock, 100%. There has been no altercations, there's no tuners. Suspension is 100% stock as well. Right, let's go in here and check out. Let's turn this off. Well, let's do the one finger test first. One finger to the left, one finger to the right. Single turns nice and easy. There's no play at all. Drives nice and straight. Let's turn that off. Turn the lights off. Even both gauges work. We are on the front gauge. Let's switch to the rear gauge. And there's the rear gauge. It's got a quarter tank in it. Go back to the front. He's had both levelers replaced, he told me as well. Now here's the windows. Front window rolls at ease. Rolls down at ease. Let's check out the passenger side. Rolls up at ease. No funky noises, no tired regulators. Here's the rear. Oh, that needs to be lubed up a little right there, it looks like. This hasn't been used in a long time. Here's goes down good. Let's see, it's already much better. You gotta have the track lubed up. Hey, the nice part is these trucks are so easy to maintain and parts are so readily available. And let's see, you can do it. There we go. Just gotta lube up the tracks. Remind me and I'll make sure when you buy it that the service shop has done that. These tracks get pretty dry, especially for the rear windows because they rarely get used. And on this truck, I don't think anybody has sat in the back in a long time. This truck has been in storage for quite a while as well. There's the back. I'm not sure if I showed it or not. Literally like brand new, these seats. And the carpet as well. Never been used. There's a slider. All the dome lights are on, etc. And this here, it's crazy how nice and cushy and thick this carpet was. How good quality they used to do. Wish they still do them like this. So, with all that being said, if you've been looking for a crew cab short bed, 7.3, that has been well cared for, rust-free, with good miles, and looks like it's new, you found it. I can qualify this truck for new car financing, which means I can finance it up to 84 months, just as if you're buying a 2022 model, and same interest rates as you would get for a 2022. And believe it or not, it can be as up to 84 months, as low as 7.3% as of today. So that is insanely low. Second, I can help you and ship this truck anywhere in the country. I sell and ship my trucks all over the country every day. So whether you lived in Alaska or Hawaii, whether you lived in New York, Chicago, Pennsylvania, Colorado, North Dakota, South Dakota, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Idaho, anywhere in the United States or Canada. Last month, sold 3 trucks total to Canada. I can help you and ship it right to your door. Buying from me is easier than buying from your local dealer. Multiple reasons. Let's talk about it. Your local dealer does not have some this nice. I specialize in these pre-emission diesel trucks that are clean, rust-free, well taken care of. I do all my due diligence. We go through them thoroughly, top to bottom. I'm the only one that does videos this thorough because we have nothing to hide and want to show you what you're getting. If you were here yourself, you probably wouldn't go in detail and in depth to check it out as good as I'm doing. And hey, I'm open to any pointers. If any of you got, tell me. But I can help you ship it. We deal with shippers on a daily basis. We vet them. We make sure they're insured, bonded, they're A+ ratings, and they will pick it up right from our showroom, right to your front door. I would love to make this someone's dream come true. This is a ready-to-go truck. Reach out. I got 95 detailed pictures on the website, jordanmotorsports.com. Please don't comment on YouTube. We only use it solely to get the videos on our website. Reach out to the website, jordanmotorsports.com. Look us up. We're a family business. This is our indoor showroom. Here's our offices. Look, we are kid friendly. Let's bring your kids to work today. Here's some of our awards and certificates. Let's make it yours.